I'm going to cook Palake Muragh, spinach and chicken. So Palake Muragh is very easy to cook. This is the chopped spinach. I'm going to use frozen one. So we'll add it. So I just going to throw that. These are very simple to cook. This is a ginger paste, chopped garlic, all seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. Don't have to put it, but I have available, so I'm going to add it in there. Turmeric powder, chili powder, and cumin seed. I just grind it a little bit manually. So this is the chicken I'm going to use it. So it's not much spinach, so I'm going to put all together everything. And 1 glass of water. And I will cook it 30 minutes. And after that I will add it a little bit oil after 30 minutes. So then after 10 minutes I will turn off, and that should be ready.